Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to clear my browser cache completely from my laptop. So guys, first thing that you will do is open up your browser. So guys, the usual browser will be a Google Chrome. Now, here on your Google Chrome, just simply select the three dots on the top right corner. And then from here, just simply go to the settings. And after that, once you are on the settings, go to the privacy and security. And guys, if you cannot find it, you could just simply use the search bar over here on the top. And pretty much guys, these settings or this process will be similar to other browsers, and just simply select delete browsing data and select the time range as all time, and just simply check all of these boxes, and you could just simply select delete data. And from there guys, you should be able to clear your browser cache completely. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.